Portable generators are handy and affordable. They keep your power humming. However, there are some downsides. Generators give off carbon monoxide gas, or CO. It causes illness, even death. You can't see, smell, or taste CO, so add safety. Put your generator 20 feet or more away from your home. Add safety. Prevent fires and power surges. Use outdoor power cords. Match cords amps to generator outlets amps. Add safety. Install battery-operated CO detectors in your home. Add up safety. Keep everything and everyone humming. Learn more at FloridaHealth.gov.